Did you know? In 2020, over 10.3 million acres burned from almost 60,000 wildfires in the U.S. alone. Wildfires will only worsen with climate change. So here's how to prepare. Create or buy a wildfire preparedness kit that's suited for evacuations. Make an emergency communication plan to keep contact and reunite if you get separated. Include multiple evacuation routes in your disaster plan to account for roads that will be blocked by fire. Follow directions. Evacuate immediately when instructed to do so. Clear a 30-foot fire break around your house by removing flammable objects such as dead leaves and wood. Get a hose that can reach all areas of your property outdoors. Soaking your roof and yard before you are told to evacuate will make your home slightly more resistant to falling embers. Finally, hold regular wildfire drills involving the whole family, including your pets. Here are some things not to do during a wildfire. First, don't waste time. Speed is key to wildfire survival. Second, don't breathe smoke. Smoke is deadly. Seal vents and gaps, turn off HVAC, run purifiers, and wear masks indoors. Third, don't explode. Turn off and disconnect fuel lines if you have time before you evacuate. Otherwise, an explosion could happen. And remember, explosions aren't as fun as movies make them seem. More disaster tips and in-depth guides are available at HereComesTheApocalypse.com. Follow along to make it out alive.